Here's how you compress files in Linux using the tar command. Let's compress this directory called Andrew's Stuff. It's filled with files and subdirectories. Type tar, C for create, Z for zip, verbose, F for file. Specify a location and give it a name with a .tar.gz extension. Then put in the path of the directory that we're compressing. It will then compress all the files within it. There's our newly created tar file. You can use this command to view the files without uncompressing it. But now let's actually uncompress those files. First, make a directory anywhere you want where we can extract to. And now run this extract command. Tar, X for extract, verbose, file, the tar.gz file, -C to specify a location where we want to extract it to. In this case, it's that extracts directory we just made. It does the extract. Now let's go into that extracts directory and see what we got. There's all the original files and subdirectories. All these commands are listed in the comments.